Hey there, Dr. Mark McCawley from McCawley Periodontics, and I just wanted to give you a few tips to keep you safe in the era of COVID-19. So just a few things. Obviously, you want to wash your hands very frequently. Make sure that you don't touch anything, don't touch your nose and mouth, because those are going to be entry points for the virus right there. Also, what you want to do is you want to actually make sure that that virus can't get in your mouth and stay there, because my specialty is oral health. We want to make sure that there are no viruses in there either. So what I'd recommend is you can actually rinse with a very, very dilute bleach. So about 1 teaspoon to about 8 ounces of water. That'll make sure that it kills the virus, but doesn't burn anything as well. You want to make sure you don't want to swallow this stuff too. Also, you can, if you're not comfortable with that bleach, you can actually use hydrogen peroxide. You can mix it 50-50 with water, and that works very well to kill the viruses as well.